someone asked me the question, could you describe happiness? Then I said, happiness, you want description or you want to really be happy? If you want to be happy, you cannot describe. And if you try to describe happiness, then you lose happiness. So if you want to be happy, you don't have to make extra effort. No, I'll be happy when I get my job, I'll be happy when I get married, I'll be happy when I get my house. It is just an excuse. How many of them go and check with them? Okay, you achieved this, now tell me, are you happy? Only at that moment, maybe on that day, again they start worrying about, now I know I don't have a car now to go to a job. If they have a car, are you happy? No, I need a bigger one. This is small, this really, I can't help people to take anybody with me, and a good excuse. When we really make ourselves dependent upon the material acquirements, material acquisition, in order to be happy, we are never going to be happy, never. That means we put conditions on our happiness, we can never be happy. That's conditioned. When you take out all the conditions, I just want to be happy. Yes, I just want to be happy. Then you will be happy there at the same moment. Some people would come and ask, what, have you got any good news? Why are you happy now? I am happy, I don't know why am I happy. They think you're nuts or something. Because you are happy. Look at this, how society has its own frame to measure you, to fix you with its limitation. You have to have some reason to be happy. When you've got the reason, you cannot be happy. You have to just go out of the reasoning, then you are happy. When you keep thinking too much about an issue, you cannot be happy at that time. Because you're engaged in doubt, in investigation, in inquiry. So interrogative expression of your mind, you are occupied, you cannot be happy. Happiness means when your consciousness really descends down to the heart region, and then you feel happiness. That means your mind has to become more connected with the heart consciousness. See, exactly in the human body design, you can see that. You see the head, how it is really so well connected, and the neck, and then gradually it extends in the shoulders, and then again curve, and then the heart is just in the middle. You could have had straightforward, like a rectangular type of body or something, like a square, like robots. It's not that way. It's a very artistic blend. There is a bridge between our face, head, and the chest, isn't it? So you can see the curve. Means graceful connection, not just straightforward, abrupt connection. Like mechanical box, keeping two boxes, like head, okay, now next to the chest, like square boxes. Not like that. So we should understand why there must be meaning. Why is it this way? Means you have to use this above the throat region, whatever the organ we have, we have to use it to communicate with the world. This is junction box. All the lines are working here, like sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of touch, whatever it is, everything, all communication. Main nervous system is in the cerebral cortex mainly. So it controls the whole body. So, but that's for outside world, not for you. We think face is important, is for us. That's what we always do, more makeup for our face. We spend more time in facial rather than looking after the rest of the body. When you are sick, they want to take the whole body. X-ray, what's wrong with your body? My point is, this is there to communicate with the world. It's like a window of our consciousness, window of our Atma. But for you, this is not going to work. No. That's the reason you feel like closing your eyes to figure out who you are, to experience some peace within you, to feel oneness. You keep your eyes closed because you don't want to see your face. You know that's not you. There's something else deeper within. That's only just for the world, not for me, to communicate with the world. Mind is installed there in the head only as a telephone line to communicate with the world. But for you, you don't need mind, you need only heart, because that's you. Heart will lead you to this inner spirit, then that's where you are very close. You don't need anything. That's the reason when you are alone, you feel automatically relaxed, because then no society, the windows are all closed and no one watching.